The Naija Senate don't draw ear for NNPC Limited and give them 1 week ultimatum to come explain how 210 trillion naira waka miss for their audited financial statement from 2017 reach 2023. This matter burst for one hot session of the Senate Committee on Public Accounts, where NNPC Limited top oga dem show face, led by Chief Financial Officer Adedakpo Olusegun. Chairman of the committee, Senator Aliyu Wadada, vex well over the way figures no balance, especially the money where them say na accrued expenses. He comes to talk say this kind thing no make sense at all.
The question here is directed at the various charges for exchange loss against crude oil revenue in the books of NAPIMS for 2017, 2.7 trillion, which is on page 41 of 2018 audited financial statement. 2018, 542 billion, page 41 of 2018 audited financial statement. 2020, 256 billion, which is on page 48 of the audited financial statement. Then 2023, 2019 was blank, 2021 blank, 2022 blank, and then 2023, 899 billion, page 63. Now, questions as a result of what I read. What is the basis of these change loss charges deducted from our crude oil revenue? Can you explain to this committee how you charged or deducted 2.7 trillion as exchange loss against crude oil proceeds of only 3.6?
Inside the report, they see plenty wahala like 600 billion where them say get retention fees, legal charges, and auditor costs, all without correct contract or paper to back them. As they hear the matter, NNPC Limited CFO Adedakpo Olusegun beg Senate to make them give him small time, say he just enter office recently and need time to check the whole wahala well.
If there are questions that I can't answer, then the committee would have to kindly give me time to find the answers and come to you. Again, I'm saying I'm on hold and I have to say the truth and nothing but the truth.
Now that one can make the Senate committee give NNPC Limited 1 week to bring written answers to 11 serious questions. Senator Wadada come talk say this investigation no be winch hunt at all, na part of their job to make sure say money no lose and everything dey transparent. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. Ohifemi Onosimwa, TMC News.